Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Our today's topic is how to create Facebook page in 2 minutes. Log into your Facebook account and click on this three line that's upside of your phone. This three line that's of your phone. So it will take you to another page. So what you need to do next is for you to click on pages. This is pages. It's for you to click it. So when you click it, it's going to take you to another page where they write create, discover and invite. So what you need to do now is for you to click on create. Just click on create. So it will take you to another page again. You will see where they write get start. So click on the blue side where they write get started. So choose any name that you love, any name that you like that you want to name your page. Just put it here and search bar of the Facebook stuff. Yeah, just put any name that you love. Just put it here. So let me not put any name for now. Let me put any random name for now. For this tutorial reason, let me put any name for now and click next. So when you click next, it's going to take you to that page again. And that page, this page is for you to choose your category that you love. We have different type of category. We have comedy, we have different types. So it's for you to choose any one that you love. Just put it here. So for now we choose and we have different types. They have comedy, they have digital creator, they have personal blog, they have a product service, they have music and band, health and beauty, women's clothes store, e-commerce website, men clothes store, babies and baby children clothes store, not a business. So you have different type, and if you yourself do not see any type or anyone that you love here, you can search it up there and you see it, and you click on it and add it as your category. But for now I'm going to choose on digital creator. So you see digital creator, and you can add more than one categories, but for now and for this tutorial I'll add only one. So next step for you to do is for you to click next. So do you have a website for this zone name? This KOHJ, and where is my name? I'll just put the random name. So for now we don't have website. What you need to do now is for you to just click on skip. For you to just click on skip. Yeah, just click on skip. So yeah, here our new page is done creating. So you can put your profile picture here, and you can put your Facebook banner picture here. So for now it's left for you to put anyone that you love to put. But for now, if you do not have any picture to put here, you just click on done. Yeah, our new page is fully created and fully done. So please like the video, share and subscribe for more. Thank you.